Hello traders, welcome back to another trading session. Today we're gonna take a couple of trades. Let's go. Okay guys, here I'm gonna go with buyers for this candle. Why? Because previously this candle had been consumed all the order block exactly on this area. And you see guys here, after this down, we have like, you can say like ranging market. Okay, so market now made this uptrend. Okay, and this uptrend have been touched 1 2 3 times, and we have here like retracement. Okay, so let's see now what's gonna happen. Okay, I'll take it here one more for the same reason, but we have here now a gap down. Suppose to take it here. So okay, here we go. Yes, exactly. We have here an area, and the market, okay, have been broke this area to the upside and then back again to the arranging market. Okay, and again broke this area, and again came back to the same level. So I see here an up movement. Okay, I will go here with the buyers because we have here like a decision, a point. Okay, and you see guy, this decision point, because we had like range market, and this market have been broken from this, from here. So yeah, I'm pretty sure there is inside of this we have like a decision point. So this one of these thing, and also we have here guys, I will not go to the double trades. Okay, now no, I'm waiting for the doji to break. Okay, okay, here is another one here. Okay, I took here because we have here like a doji, and this doji have been broken from this. Okay, another thing also, you can see this movement. So we have here an decision point. So let me check. Okay, let me check here the decision point. Where can we find this decision point? There it is. Look at this, guys. To be honest, I supposed to take it here 100 trades, because you see, guys, here this movement or this type of market, I can be sure to take here. It's like it's I'm pretty sure that is gonna be rejected to the upside, and I combine the reason because here we have what doji break. So the first one was loose because it was far from this area, so because of that I lose it. But I wait until the doji break, so it was a sure trade. I'll play it here with this trade. Supposed to take it here, but I don't want to take more trades or double this trade. I hope to go up more. Why? Because we have here angle and we have here a gap down, so this gap down would up buyers favor, and we have here, look, we have this area or this support. Okay, so I was pretty sure that it's gonna be green, and we have here a round number, strong round number have been broken with this gap down and this engulf, so I was pretty sure this is gonna be rejected. But my entry, it's supposed to be here, like around here, but I could not. But finally it was fine. Okay guys, that was everything for today. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you guys. Goodbye.